What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you the OS X Lion Ultimatum theme from Cydia. Now this is for Dreamboard and this is only the beta, so there are some things that need to be worked on before it's completely good to go, but I will be showing you just an overview of how it's come along so far. It's a really nice theme. I would definitely go ahead and install it, and I will show you how to get Dreamboard as well. So first you want to go ahead and search OS X Lion Ultimatum, and you do need to have the Insanely I repo to do this, so I'll leave the Insanely I repo link right there at the bottom of the page. So go ahead and add that repo to your list of repos in Cydia, and I'll just show you how to do that really quickly. So what you want to do is click on Manage at the bottom here, and then click on Sources, click Edit, and tap on Add, and then just add that repo that you see at the bottom there and tap on Add Source. I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. So let's click Done here and go back into our Insanely I repository. Just scroll down until you get to the O's. Actually, it might be easier to scroll till you get to the P's and then just scroll up, because it should be at the bottom. There it is. OS X Lion Ultimatum. So what you want to do is just open that up, click on Install, and then click Confirm. Mine says Modify, but don't worry about that. Alright, so once you have this theme, let me just show you what it's going to do. So what you want to do is open up Dreamboard, and if you don't have Dreamboard, I'll show you how to get it at the end of the video. Open up Dreamboard, and this is just a brief overview of Dreamboard here. Basically, it'll just allows you to switch between a whole bunch of really nice pre-rendered, pre-made themes. No having to rearrange icons or anything like that. They're all pre-made and ready to go. So just open up OS X Lion. Now I will do a little bit of a top 5 or like a review of some of those other themes that I have there, because some of them are really cool. So go ahead and check those out. I'll have a link in the video description once I put that video up. So once you open up the theme here, iOS X Lion Ultimatum, again, this is only the beta, so everything is supposed to be working, but not 100% just yet. So it looks like a pretty simple theme. First, your applications folder just pops up there. I just got rid of it real quick just to show you the desktop. So you've got a couple things going on here that are kind of catch your eye. You've got this Macintosh HD little icon over here on your desktop. So just click on that, and basically that just opens like an Explorer. So this really does change the way that you use your iPhone, and it does actually simulate using a Mac computer really well. So anyways, you can just go into things like your applications, library, system, users, and let me show you what those will do. Applications just launches all of your applications here, and you have a little menu on the side as well. So let's click into desktop. Actually, that's documents. So you click into documents there. I've got games. I don't think I have any games that are assigned to being games. So I'm sure once the full version comes out, it'll actually recognize what games you have on there, because I do have some games. As you saw, I had like Angry Birds and Backbreaker, but I'm sure those will all go in there after the full version is released. So let's go back to documents, and then you've got utilities as well. Again, nothing in there just yet. You click on users, and it just shows you just like how it would show you an actual Apple computer. You've got desktop, documents, libraries, movies, music, pictures. Click on music there, and it opens your iPod. I'm not gonna, there it is right there. So it goes through all of your songs there. Let's go out, and you got pictures. It just takes you to your camera roll, and then movies. If you have any movies, that'll just take you to your iPod application again. Actually, it looks like that takes you to YouTube, just by the look of it. So let's exit this here. There's lots of features, guys. There's lots of stuff going on here. I won't be able to cover everything, but let's do as much as we can in the time being. So that's just your Explorer. I just showed you that, so we won't go into that. The second icon at the bottom here on your dock will just open up your applications, and they're all listed in alphabetical order. So I've got Angry Birds, App Store, Archetype, Backbreaker, and they don't continue in alphabetical order like down this way, but if you scroll, the B's continue this way to C's, and then D's, and then it just goes all the way back to the beginning. But anyways, they are organized in some kind of decent fashion. Now if you wanted to rearrange your icons, then you can actually just hit this trash button in the corner there, and it usually takes a little while. Oops, I missed it. There we go. Usually takes a couple seconds to load, and then it says that you are in editing mode, so you can just, let's say instead of this iTunes icon, I wanted to tap that, and let's say I wanted to put my camera there instead, and there it is. The camera icon just took its place there, as you can see. Let's tap the trash bin again, and that will just save your changes. So everything is customizable, just like it should be in this theme. This is really nice for a beta. But moving on, we got the iTunes dock at the bottom there. We've got mail, that'll just open up your mail. We've got messages, that just opens up your SMS app. And lots of different icons. Now this is a really cool little tweak right here as well, is you can actually open up kind of like a multitasking mode, so you can see what's going on your dashboard, your desktop. You've got some recently opened apps like Facebook and Safari. You can just click into any one of these. So this is a really robust theme. It's pretty much got everything. Pretty much all of the application icons are all themed. Everything seems themed. You've got this Safari looking like browser at the top here, which it is Safari of course, but it looks more like the traditional Safari on a Mac. So once you've finished whatever application that you've opened from your dashboard here, you can just click on that again, and that'll just take you back to the desktop. This little folder here, it's favorites. It says that it's just called favorites there, but not too much going on there. I'm sure that you can add some applications in there as well. Actually, I'm sure you can if you just hit the trash bin. Yeah, you're in editing mode, so you can just put whatever you want into the favorites. So let's put Backbreaker and Angry Birds and the App Store. Awesome. So then whenever I want to open up my favorites, you can just tap on that and it just opens up your favorites, which is a really nice little thing there as well. Now I haven't covered the top here. I won't be able to get into everything, but just as far as a little brief overview, if you click Finder, you can just click About Finder, and that'll kind of just open up a really Mac styled About information section there. Let's click on Finder again. You can just go on iTunes, Bookstore, Stocks, Game Center, and then you can hide the Finder, or you can show all. So show all just shows you whatever Finder windows you have open. So let's click out of that. If you click on the Apple logo here, you've got About This Mac, which again just brings up some information. Software update, I believe that'll take you into Cydia. App Store will just take you into the App Store. Preferences will just take you into your settings application. Not going to open that because we know what that looks like. Wallpaper, not sure what that does. Doesn't look like it's programmed to do anything quite yet. Dock, you can show the dock or hide the dock, which is kind of nice. So if I hide the dock, then you've got like a full screen thing going on there. Show the dock, that comes back there, so that's pretty cool. You can choose to sleep it, which will just lock it, I think. Actually, it doesn't even look like it's locked because I still have my status bar up. So if you just tap on it again, then it actually all comes back up. So that's pretty cool. Restart, shut down, log out, that kind of stuff. So let's see if I can tap out of this. Okay, so File. You can just open a new Finder window. You can close the window. You can go to Winterboard, enter your calculator or your compass. If you click on Edit here, you can go through your contacts, notes, voice memos, and if you click on View, you've got your camera, photos, maps, calendar, and you can actually choose to hide the status bar as well. It doesn't look like it's programmed to work either, but lots of this stuff is good to go, like camera, whatever, opens up your camera. So lots of good stuff coming from this theme. Honestly, this is a really nice, robust theme, and there's a lot to look for and look through on this theme. So definitely check this one out from the Cydia store. Let me quickly show you how to get Dreamboard. So basically what I want to do here is open up my applications. Now, if you're running any theme in Dreamboard, then you're going to need to make sure that you can somehow access the Dreamboard application. For me, I had to go down and click this Applications tab and then scroll over to Dreamboard. And then Dreamboard will just take you back out to this kind of expose mode. And then you can go back into your default if that's kind of what you're more used to using. So let's open Cydia here. Okay, so once Cydia is finished loading, just go ahead and search. And you're going to want to tap the top there and search for Dreamboard. There we go. Alright, so go ahead and click the one from ModMyi repo. That repo is built in, so no need to add any sources for that one or any repos. And then just click Edit and click Add at the top there, and that's as simple as it gets, guys. That'll give you Dreamboard for your iPhone. So once you have Dreamboard, go ahead and follow the instructions at the beginning of the video to download OS X Lion Ultimatum beta for Dreamboard and enjoy this theme. It's a great theme. I would highly recommend it, and I will be going over a lot more of the themes in my Dreamboard. I know that there's quite a few here. Let's see, I've got OS 7, I've got WebOS, I've got Android, which is a really nice theme. I'll just show you this one, like a little sneak peek. So this is a lot like my MySense theme. not my MySense theme, but the MySense theme that I kind of customized a little bit from the original. So it's a really nice theme. I definitely go check this one out as well. It's called Android theme, but this one is built in, so once you download Dreamboard, this one will come automatically with it. Really cool theme. You've got your applications here, and this just goes through some settings. I won't go through anything here, but I'll probably make an actual individual video for this theme, so you can check that out as well. I'll leave the link in the description once I find it. So this video has been well over long enough. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to add me on Twitter. Go ahead and follow me. Add me on Google+. I'll have a link in the description below. Like this video if this video helped you or you liked any of the themes on this video. Subscribe for more Cydia tweaks, themes, videos, and tons more stuff from Cydia and just general iPhone technology updates and a whole bunch of things concerning the iPhone. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.